everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be getting my life together, doing a fall reset vlog. I have a lot of stuff to get done today. I actually just got back from a trip last night. I need to grocery shop, I need to clean, I need to unpack, I need to declutter and organize. I personally love watching productive vlogs, so I thought I would take you guys along with as I just kind of get my life together and get organized, just kind of reset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment below something you like to do to reset and get organized. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the vlog. Like I said, I just got back from a trip last night, so I need to unpack, I need to clean. I literally left my apartment such a mess before I went on this trip, so it is so messy. I need to like really deep clean everything. I literally just have clothes and stuff everywhere. I think I'm gonna start off by making a to-do list and just like writing all this stuff out. That way I have a clear idea of what I need to get done. That is the first step. I just made my to-do list. I'm feeling a lot more organized and just like ready to get all this stuff done. The first thing on my list is running some errands. I need to get gas, wash my car, get some groceries. Of course, I need to grab a coffee. That is like needed. Pumpkin spice before I go back and do all the cleaning. I haven't had a pumpkin spice in a while. This just sounded so good. It's like the perfect fall day today, like the perfect fall weather. So good too. I'm just gonna head home and get started on everything. It is a little bit later. I'm back from running my errands. Before starting all the cleaning, I just wanted to do a little fall haul from Garage. Just got a whole box of really cute fall essentials. I'm actually partnering with Garage in this video, so thank you so much to Garage for sponsoring. It's a lot of cozy fall staples, lots of warm like fleece pieces. These items are so perfect for like a little fall reset, getting your life together, because they're so cozy, so comfy. There's nothing I love more than some good loungewear, and Garage has amazing cozy loungewear. They have really great like basics, really cute denim, and also like really trendy pieces as well. So I love Garage. Everything I have from there is like really good quality. I love their pieces, and I'm so excited to partner with them on today's video. As always, you can shop the product through the links in my description. I'm gonna have everything linked below, as well as sizing details and everything like that. First up from Garage is the sweatshirt that I'm wearing. I absolutely love this sweatshirt. It is so cozy and comfy. It's like perfectly oversized. It's like this cute little graphic sweatshirt. It comes in a bunch of different colors. This is like the perfect sweatshirt, and I love this light gray color. I think it looks really cute with jeans. I'm currently wearing it with some jeans from Garage that I got in my last Garage haul. These have literally been like my favorite jeans. They're the Garage slouchy jean, and they're so comfy. I also have a pair of cargo jeans from Garage that I really love that I showed in the last video, and both of them are just very comfy. They're like a really nice material, perfect like everyday jeans. They pair really nicely with like an oversized sweatshirt. So I love these jeans, love the sweatshirt. Both are just really good fall staples. Next are these cargo sweatpants. I absolutely love these. They are so comfortable. These are just an amazing style from Garage. I want to get these in more colors. They're so soft, so cozy. They have a little drawstring and pockets. They're so nice. I got these in a size medium. I would say to size up on these because they do run a tiny bit small. They're super comfy. They come in a bunch of different colors as well, but I really love these, and they pair super nice with this white t-shirt that I have from Garage. It's just like a basic little white t-shirt. It's a little bit longer, so I feel like it pairs really nicely with these. Next are these sweatpants. These are jogger style pair of sweatpants, and I love this color. It's like this kind of beige tan color, perfect for fall. This would look so good with like a little crop top and like a flannel. I just love these sweatpants. They're so comfy. I also got these in a size medium. They're so soft, and they also have a drawstring and pocket pockets. They're just like a really nice fit, a really nice style. And once again, they come in so many different color options. I literally love them. Like these are just like the perfect cozy sweatpants. I feel like I'm gonna be lounging in them all fall and winter. So great to just like throw on at the end of the day, curl up on the couch. Love it. Next is this long sleeve tee from Garage. I absolutely love this style. Don't really have a lot of square neck tops like this, but this style is so trendy. I've been seeing it all over my social media, so I think this is super cute and I love this gray color. Also, this style is one of Garage's best sellers. They also have it in like a t-shirt, kind of like tank style. I actually got this in a size medium, but I might look into exchanging it for a small or even an extra small because it is a little bit big in the arms and like around the neck. I normally am a size small in tops. I just made a mistake getting this in a size medium. Definitely recommend sticking with your true size. I absolutely love this style. I think it's so cute and I'm so excited to style this. In my last Garage haul, I got a couple long sleeve tees. They were like really soft ribbed materials with like a little graphic. I love that style as well. If you like long sleeve tees, I definitely recommend checking those out too. Next is this sweatshirt. This is definitely one of my favorite items that I picked up. It's so cute, so cozy. It's like this boxy kind of v-neck sweatshirt. I love like the little v-neck. It's not like too deep of a v. It's like the perfect kind of v-neck. And it's just like nice and boxy, super cute. I just love the style of this. I think it looks so good, especially with like some baggy jeans and sneakers. Love this chocolate brown color. It's definitely giving fall vibes. I feel like this is gonna be one of my favorite like pieces for this fall. I also got that same style in this baby pink color. I've been seeing baby pink everywhere. I feel like baby pink is never not in, but I feel like it's definitely a really trendy color right now. I've been seeing it all over social media and I think it's just such a cute color, especially going into the winter. I feel like baby pink looks really good in the winter time. Love the style. I had to get it in 2 different colors because it's so cute. This is like a really nice baby pink shade. Like some baby pinks like don't go well with my skin tone, but this one like really looks good, I think. Next is like a little set. So I absolutely love both of these pieces. It's these little flared fleece sweatpants. These are so cute. I absolutely love the style. I got some very similar pants to this in my last Garage haul. They're like a light gray kind of flared sweatpant style and I've been wearing them so much. They're like my favorite sweatpants. I love them. They're so cute, so comfy. They're fleece on the inside, but they kind of almost feel like a knit kind of woven material. The wide leg kind of mid-rise, looks super cute, super trendy. This is matching hoodie. It pairs really well with those. It's like the same kind of fabric, the same color. It looks super cute with it. Definitely a cute matching set moment. I love wearing black in the fall and winter. It's just one of my go-to colors. I think this would look so cute like running errands, going on a walk, anything like that. Lastly are these socks. I absolutely love these. It's like a little set. So there's a white pair, a light gray pair, and a black pair. These are like the perfect little socks. I love getting new socks. I don't know what it is, but I just love getting new socks. And these ones are just so cute. They're like so nice as well. Like they're like that really nice kind of soft material. And they're just like these little kind of like crew socks. Very cozy. These would look so good with a pair of like boots or sneakers. They would also be great just like lounging around with a pair of sweatpants. That is everything I got from Garage. I hope you guys enjoyed this little try on haul and thank you so much to Garage for sponsoring. Definitely make sure to shop all the products through the links in my description. I'm gonna have everything linked below as well as sizing details and everything like that. I love everything I got. Garage's loungewear is like literally my favorite. It's so good, such high quality. Definitely make sure to check it out and stock up for fall and pick up some fall cozy essentials. Now I'm just gonna get into all the cleaning. I need to clean my kitchen, my living room, my bathroom, my room. Like every single part of my apartment is so messy. I just have a lot of stuff laying out that needs to get picked up, and then I also need to like deep clean, dust, wipe the surfaces, vacuum, all that stuff. Let's just get to cleaning. I'm just gonna move on to my closet. I kind of want to go through my closet and just like declutter it. I actually did this right before I left. I did like a little closet clean out. I actually found quite a few things to get rid of. Here's what I found to get rid of. It only took 15 minutes to go through my closet, so I feel like this is pretty good. I need to actually try on these jeans and see if they fit or not. I cleared up some space. It's definitely less cluttered. I also kind of want to go through all of my dresser drawers. I have all my shorts for summer in there, so I kind of want to switch that out for more like sweatpants and more like winter kind of bottoms. I have like a little tub with all my opposite season bottoms, so I'm just gonna kind of switch that out for the season. I just got done kind of organizing my dresser. I have a whole tub full of summer bottoms, like shorts, denim shorts, sweat shorts. Now my dresser is full of sweatpants and like cozy kind of bottoms. I have a lot of sweatpants. I wear sweatpants like almost every single day. I should probably chill with the sweatpants. I didn't realize how many I had until I went to organize my dresser. Kind of just filled up my dresser with those and kind of reorganized it. Now I'm just gonna focus on the rest of my apartment, cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the bathroom, and just getting all that done. It is a little bit later. I cleaned up my kitchen. It is looking so much better. It was so messy. I had all my bags from my trip out in my living room, so I've just been kind of like unpacking them and hanging up some clothes, cleaning up my living room. I had a whole bunch of clothes on my couch from before I went on my trip, just like things that I was like gonna wear. It is starting to get dark. I feel like this has taken me like all day. later. My apartment is looking so clean. My kitchen, bathroom, room. I'm all unpacked for my trip. I've got some laundry going. I'm feeling so much more organized. There is one more thing that I wanted to do before ending this vlog, and that is just kind of getting organized mentally, planning, getting my calendar all together. I kind of use a digital calendar to kind of time block and put in dates and deadlines. I'm just gonna look at that and kind of move some things around based on some new deadlines. Also use my physical weekly planner to just kind of write down some things that I have going on this week. I love making sure that my schedule is organized and just kind of having some kind of plan, so that way when I wake up I already know kind of like what I need to get done. That is kind of the last thing that I want to do. It is a little bit later. I just kind of organized some dates in my digital calendar. Also kind of wrote down some things that I want to get done for the rest of this week in my little weekly planner. So that way I can just have this kind of setting out my desk and see what I need to get done. I'm feeling a lot more organized. I kind of have a little plan for the rest of the month, kind of time block. That is pretty much everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did, and comment below something you like to do to kind of reset or get organized for a new season or a new month. Definitely make sure to check out everything from Garage. I'm so obsessed with everything I got. You can shop all the products with the links in my description. I'll have everything linked below, as well as sizing details and everything like that. Everything I got is so cozy, so comfy, and perfect for the fall season. Let me know if you'd like to see another reset video for the winter time, or like in the next couple months, maybe for like December. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, and I will see you in a couple days for my next one. Bye.